So hey guys, welcome once again. So you guys know the Netflix started the trial system once again. So after a long time, they started the Netflix trial. Some days ago, it was paused by Netflix, so we cannot take any kind of Netflix trial. So Netflix started their trial system. So in today's video, I just will try to experiment with Netflix trial. Okay, so let's start it. So first of all, I'll just try to connect the VPN. I have the browser extension, the Urban VPN. So from the Urban VPN, I'll just connect the server, the Indian server. So here's the India. I just connecting. Please wait. So now I'll search for the Netflix. Here's Netflix. So this is the Netflix official website. Just going to the site, and here you can see the 7 days trial. But if you have the good luck, you can get 30 days free trial. Okay, so here's the trial. So now I just put my email address in here. So here's my email. So I just try for 7 days. Okay, here you can see this time is the same mail. I got the mail. So I'm just waiting for my email. Just waiting for my email. So I got the link on the email. Here you can see. So I just copy the mail and paste in here. Okay, so now the finish sign up. So next, so I will select the premium plan is 4K, and we can share the 4 person. So next. Okay, so here the payment option. So if you are from India, you can get many options like Paytm, and you can pay with the Google Pay. But I will go with the credit card. So let's get here, and I'll pause my video, and you can see here is 2 rupee will be charged from your card, and it will be a temporary charge, and you will get a refund shortly. Okay, so I'm putting my card number. So stay with me. So after some try, I just try almost 3 cards. Then I just success with 1 virtual card, and I also change the region after I'm in the payment time. You can see the region, I'm in the country. So also you can see the Brazil in here. So that's it, and we need to maybe add our number. Let's see. Also you can see the welcome mail in here. So this is the welcome mail, and you can see also the some information. So okay, so I'll try to okay, so no need to enter the phone number. This is the profile one. For example, address, Johor, another profile. So address. So that's it. We just created a Netflix 7 days trial, and of course the virtual card is effective, no problem. So it's okay. Thank you so much. If you need any kind of help, you can just ping to our Telegram channel. Thank you. Have a good day. So we can try.